Hey guys, so this is going to be the video for remote students about the Popcorn Lab. So first thing I want you guys to do is click this button to open the lab sheet. So the lab sheet is pretty simple. You're going to watch a video and I'm going to explain what's happening in the video. You're going to identify if that's conduction, convection, or radiation. And then you're going to give an explanation as to why. So the first video we're going to watch is somebody making microwave popcorn. So this is a very, very not exciting video. I'm not going to lie to you. It's just somebody making microwave popcorn. So they open the bag and they put it in the microwave. But what is kind of cool is what's going on inside of the microwave. There's this little contraption in there that actually sends out heat waves through the open space to cook the popcorn. So the key words I'm using here are through open space. So this is the heat transfer through open space. Now I'm going to fast forward a little bit of time and we're going to get to see. There you go. You got your finished product. So the microwave really does work to make popcorn. So let's go back over here. You're going to identify the type of heat transfer as either conduction, convection, or radiation. So I'm going to give you a second. Remember, it's the one that is happening through open space. And it's like the same one that happens with the sun or fire. And I can just already tell you why. Well, that's because it is happening through open space with heat waves. That's the why. So I want you to identify the type of heat transfer. Okay, now we're going to look and see this stove/hot plate popcorn. So I don't normally make popcorn like this, but I think it is really fun and cool to do. So this is like, you might have seen it before at the store. This is the stoveplate popcorn we're going to use in class. Inside of this, it just has a bunch of kernels and butter and salt. And we're going to put this on a hot plate, and it's going to cook the popcorn. So this is what it would look like. And I've got this in slow motion so you can really get a good view. So you can see it's heating up. It's touching, keyword is touching. It's touching the heat source, which is the plate down there because it's hot. And it's allowing the popcorn to pop. Okay, that was fun. But now I want you to watch this. This is pretty cool. This is a piece of popcorn on a heat source. And it's going to be popping in very, very, very slow motion. So this is hot down here. It's touching the heat source. And that's what it looks like in slow motion. See it a little slower, a little closer up. Okay, guys, so that is the cooking popcorn through the heat transfer that touches the heat source. So let's go back over here. And I'm even going to fill out your why here too. So I want you to identify the type of heat transfer, conduction, convection, or radiation. And then the why is because the popcorn cooked from touching the heat source. Okay? Now the last one is this cool thing. It's a popcorn popper. It's kind of like one you would see in like the movie theaters, but we're going to use an air popper. So here we go. Here is an air popper. I'm going to turn the sound off on this. So basically what you're going to do is you put the popcorn kernels in here, and this hot air will blow the popcorn kernels until they eventually pop and make tons of popcorn. Now, what's actually happening is the heat source is down here at the bottom, kind of like in a lava lamp, and it's heating up the kernels until they eventually pop. And I'm going to just give you a hint here. It forms a current. So you can kind of see that with the popcorn kernels going up and down here. And let me fast forward a little bit till we get some actual popping action. There we go. So you can actually see the popcorn is being popped down there, and it's kind of going up and down, and that's because of the currents. And looky there, you got your popcorn. Okay, guys, so now we're going to go back to a little lab sheet, and we're going to identify that type of heat transfer. Now, this should be easy because of the process of elimination. You're going to determine whether it's conduction, convection, or radiation. And I'm just going to give you a hint. The why is because the popcorn cooked with current heating the air. So it's going to be the type of heat transfer that cooks through currents, and it's either through liquids or gases, okay? So once you're done with this assignment, you're going to submit it with your little button over here, and then you can just go back over here to Canvas, and there's one more thing you need to do today. This is the thing that I'm going to take as a big grade, and it's going to be your exit ticket, so click on it. And you're going to put your name, and you're going to answer these 4 questions about conduction, convection, radiation, and heat. Once you're done with that, you can submit it. It should tell you your grade, and you're done for the day.